Okay, this is 1080p on Filmit Recorder app, so I'm in the controller brightness setting. Alright, so I have the controller brightness set, so it's night mode. It's on night mode brightness, right? So that's off, on, and that's bright. So I keep it on the 1, and if you use batteries, keep it on the default brightness. The default brightness for it, keep it on that because it will make it drain faster if it's on full brightness. Also, you can tune, if I go back here, power brightness, power setting brightness, which is the power button, right? So night mode brightness, sorry about that, that's off. There's that, and it's bright, so I keep it on that. So yeah, the scheduled brightness, right, and it is on, whoa, and it is on so yeah. Oh my god. What the fuck? 4K 60. My camera's clean too. Tap 4K details. Yes, I know, but everything else is on. Video modes, yes, all that is on. So yeah, if this helps, let me know. Bye. Peace.